So it will look much more symmetrical in that way.
Just tell him if this is the best that he can do, I'm happy with how this is right now.
Hastamızın döküntüsü ön hat bölgemizden başlamış. Middle ve crown bölgesinde bir döküntümüz yok. Böyle bir saç hattı yaptık. Hastamızın kafasında çok ufak asimetri olduğu için biraz zikzaklarla bu asimetriyi kurtaracağız. Hastamız saç hattımızı beğendi. Yaklaşık 2500-3000 greft arasında bir saç ekimi yapacağız. Onun haricinde hastamız saçlarını tıraş etmek istemiyor. Tıraşsız bir saç ekimi yöntemi uygulayacağız. Sadece döner alanını ve ekim alanını tıraşlayacağız. Medikal tedavilerimizi önerdik.
So first we will actually do your hair transplantation. We draw your frontal lines over here, so it is not like too low, it's not integrated into your muscles, but we keep it not too high also, as you want it a little bit in a different way. So we keep it in a closer manner. And we will also draw we mark those regions, as we have also some asymmetries. We make it as symmetrical as possible. Only shave from the donor regions, that is here, that we have to shave, and for the regions that we will actually do the implantation part, we will just keep it the middle and the crown regions, as you have too much hairs over there as well. And then the graft number is estimated around 3,000.
Yo guys, it's your boy Eamon here. I've just had my consultation, got the hairline jawline in Vera Clinic. Very nice, professional, clean, that's what you want. Gives you that peace of mind. Let's go for the operation. Right, so the time is finally here. I am now in the Vera Clinic operation room. It's happening. Let's do it. Am I nervous? No, because they put me at ease, very professional. So let's do it. Let's go. And it's done. The hairline I finally wanted all this time. Thank you so much, Vera, for putting me at ease. Very comfort, very professional work. I can't fault it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care.
Please take care.
Of course. Good morning, guys. Day 2 at Vera Clinic. I'm about to walk in from my Oxycure to feel alive, refreshed, and energized. Let's go. I feel good. I feel good. At first, I felt really nervous, but thanks to you guys, you've made me so relaxed and excited, ready to go. Absolutely. My name is Eamon. I'm 28 years of age, from London. I do music and I've visited Vera Clinic to sort out my hairline. This is my first time in Turkey and it reminds me of a lot of my home country in Morocco. I feel like there's a lot of similarities, you know, so that's why I kind of feel like I'm in Morocco right now, you know, so it's a bit the same, But no, I do feel safe in Turkey. Very friendly people like yourselves, obviously, you know, so yeah, lovely country. What kind of music would be? I would say it would be something with energy, with uplifting, because that's when you walk in, that's how you feel. That's how when people come and shake your hand, that's how you feel. They feel uplifted with energy, you know. So reggaeton, Afrobeat, something like that. That's how I would explain it, man. I went on ChatGPT. I said to ChatGPT, what's the best clinic in Istanbul, Turkey? And he said Vera Clinic. No, honestly. I promise you, trust him with my heart. I can try. Let's have a look here. Hello, ChatGPT. Could you recommend me some clinics in Turkey, Istanbul?
Hello, sure. I can recommend a few clinics in Istanbul for hair transplants. Some well-known clinics include 1. Vera Clinic, offers a range of services, and has a good reputation for patient care.
That's it, no more. No more, that's it, of course. Anything he says, I trust him. I trust him with my heart, you know. Everything just looked clean, tidy, professional, lovely lighting, etc. That's how you know it's a good place, environment to be in. Again, that also gives you a peace of mind. If you walk into a clinic and it's dirty, it's not, doesn't look, you're a bit, But it's the opposite here. Everything's all, there's even a piano on the side. You can play piano if you want to, man. I would highly recommend, if you want to go somewhere that will make you feel relaxed and make you feel good without being nervous, Vera is the place to go, 100%. Highly recommend Vera. So I've just had my Oxycure done, the laser therapy done, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap. Vera Clinic, thank you so much.